So I want to show you guys how easy it is to make a QR code with Python, and it requires like zero technical skills or programming skills. As first of all, I'll give you the program to download, and second of all, I'll show you how to change it, right? So the first thing we need to do is import Signal, right? So if you come to your terminal and you type in pip install Signal, it'll install the package for you, which then allows you to basically create QR codes, right? I already have it installed, so in this case, I'm just going to close it. Now, what we need to do is we basically specify QR code Signal, make the QR, and it specifies the URL. Now, in this case, I linked it to my YouTube channel, but you can do whatever you want here. I've tested this with my phone, and if you change this, it'll basically, obviously by changing the image also, if you get with your phone and you scan the QR code, it'll redirect you to whatever you want. So YouTube, maybe you want a Bitcoin wallet or something. I don't know, whatever you want, I can redirect you to the website, right? So I'll redirect you. In this case, as I said, I made it my YouTube channel. So if you scan this right now with the QR code, if you were to put this on your computer, it'll redirect you to your YouTube channel. And if you have an app, it will actually launch your app and it will redirect you to my YouTube channel. So basically saves it, and this is the file name. So in this case, I just have the basic QR code.png. Scale, this makes the size, so in my case it's 10, because if you leave it without any size, it's really small. And light, I just changed this color. Now you can change the color to whatever you want. In this case, I left it to RGB values, so it will be a green one, right? So I'll just let this run and I'll actually show you what this will do. So it should make a basically image right here. There you go. And as you can see, it made a file, and you can actually zoom in. You can print this out, and I don't know, stick it on somewhere, and you can absolutely just, I don't know, you can link people to your YouTube channel or something, whatever you want, right? So this is how easy it is to make a QR code with Python. I hope you enjoyed. If you can leave a like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you would like to see next. Maybe you enjoyed a specific part. Let me know in the comments. I would love to see what you think, and thank you for watching, guys.